Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Today is a very exciting day for me. I finally received the first physical copy of my new book, Dropshipping 0 to 7 Digits in 6 months. It's been a real effort to get this one out. It's taken a lot of late nights, a lot of coffee, but it's finally here. So what's it all about? And probably the best and easiest way, I was thinking about how to explain it, but the back cover. I'm just going to read just a very quick bit of the back cover. And it's, as it says, this book will build your dropship business fast. Think about this. Imagine if you knew the usernames of hundreds of dropship sellers all over the world. Imagine if every day you could see all their top selling dropship items. Imagine if you also knew the names of all their dropship suppliers. If you had all this information, could you build a dropship business fast? Imagine no more. This book shows you how to get all this information at any time for free and much, much more. So that's what it's all about. I'm going to make a special deal if anybody wants to get a copy of it. For the first 500 people, 50% off if you'll do me a huge favour of reading the book first and then leaving a review. So obviously read the book first before you leave a review. And to get a copy, it goes on pre-sale today. Go to www.thedropshipbook.com. So www.thedropshipbook.com. I'll put a link on the screen and below. So that's all for this week. Stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse, and get yourself a copy of the book.